Hi guys, today I want to show you how to painting black dog nose in watercolor. Firstly, I make the pencil drawing directly on watercolor paper. I think of a dog nose as a simple inverted three-dimensional trapezoid. I mark the top, bottom, left and right position of the dog's nose and connect these lines. Use auxiliary lines to draw the three-dimensional perspective effect of dog nose. Don't mind these auxiliary lines. We can reset it away later, but it helps us get the perspective of the dog nose right. When making the pencil drawing, don't use too much pressure to avoid denting the watercolor paper. I use a 2B pencil to outline the three blocks of dog's nose. This will also make it easier for us to distinguish and understand the light and shadow side of dog nose when coloring later. Now, I begin to painting the nose. This is yellow ochre with orange mixture. I usually like to painting subject from light color. And I gave this area blue-gray watery wash as a reflection on nose. And this brush stroke are diluted burnt sienna. After the previous layer is dry, I started to make the dog nose darker. Here, a violet hue brush stroke for upper side of nose. For the vertical surface, here I added a little burnt umber in it, with graded wash to blend the edge. While paper is still damp, I continue darker the nose. I don't add black directly. The darker color used here are usually a mixture of blue, purple, and burnt umber, but the color can be adjusted according to the different parts of the project. Although the dog nose is black, it changes color depending on the ambient light. Some dogs have light brown nose, or even a transition between black and brown. This golden retriever, for example, I use gradation technique to depict the transition between the two colors of its nose. This technique requires the light color painting from top to below, and then the darker stroke to be painted from below up. When the two pigments are fading together, the soft blending effect is created. When the paper is still damp, it's a good time applying dry dots of color to create spots. For a full video of how to paint this realistic dog portrait painting, you can join my watercolor class on Skillshare. It's real-time video. I'll walk you step by step through my entire painting process with watercolor technique. You can take for free if you use my links that I've posted below. Well, back to painting black dog nose. I continue make the dog nose darker. By applying more dark layers and shading, the dog nose became three-dimensional and black looks. I used a clean damp brush, moving away the color while it's still wet, in this way to show the bright edge around the nostril. Same way for the highlight for upper part hair. Now, I use a most black outline the nostril. By making this step, we can see the dog nose became more realistic and visible. For the edge of nostril, I use dark purple and brown, glazing it, so that the shadow of the nostril and the outer bevel has a natural transition. Use a fine slender brush, outline the nasal filtrum. For making the dog nose lively, we also need to painting the short hair around the nose. This is an important element between nose and muzzle. and not just look like getting out of dog face. Finally, use a dry brush with white gouache. Give it a quick brush stroke to make the highlight. Thank you for watching. Please leave me a like and subscribe my channel if you like my video.